What's up guys, this is Alex. This week on DPV, we're putting the Summit exhaust system on a 72 Nova. These are the factory plugs for a 72 Nova, Chevy small block, the Autolite 26s. Because of the header clearance, we need the Accel 576S. They're the shorter ones, they're for headers. So I'm gonna gap these and get these in. Doesn't look like it shortens them up very much, but that is a considerable, using my hand measurement here, you can see that it's like quarter thumb or so. Very precise measurement. This header is on, new spark plugs in. It's kind of dark down in this hole, so I'm gonna try to all right, that side's wired up. Now to do the hard side. Steering box. So the original, or I guess it was aftermarket, but there was a temperature probe, temperature sending unit right here. And then when the plug was in there, it stuck out and hit the header flange. And so took an internal plug, took the grind disc to it, shaved it down a little bit, and now I have a internal block plug. So I've got the driver's side started. Ran into a issue with the oil filter down there, being the normal 1061 for a small block Chevy Napa Gold numbers. Love these Napa Gold filters. Need a shorty for a small block Chevy. It's a 1069. It ends up being, yeah, you know, like 2 thumbs shorter if we're gonna keep going. Same measuring system. So I'm gonna get this buttoned up and see where we get to. All right, I got the Summit long tube headers installed, the Accel shorty header spark plugs, the Napa Gold 1069 shorty oil filter, and one of the rules here at DPV is if you're doing exhaust work, you gotta see what it sounds like with open headers. So let's do that now. Did spill some oil on the header, so that'll be all right. But I think it looks good. All right, little DPV tech for you. So we needed a stud that would go in here, and I had bought an automotive exhaust stud, but it didn't work out the right one. Just a second, baby. Yeah. Okay. So I got myself a 4-inch stud, threaded it into the block, then put a nut there, lock washer, and that then will support the upper ear of our power steering pump bracket. Got the power steering now tight. Rick will be back here in a few minutes. We're gonna do another test run to see how Rick likes the sound of open headers. Spoiler alert, everybody loves how it sounds with open headers. So, all right, let's do it. Sounds good though, right?
Yeah.
Kind of sounds like a derby car.
Yeah.
All right. Day 2 on the exhaust. These are short days, but we got the pipe in, down to the mufflers, and I'm gonna get some clamps on these and see what our sound looks like. All right, let's see if it sounds any better. Okay, don't run the pedals, just run the key. Okay, run the key again, bud.
Back closed.
I'm pretty sure.
Keep your hand up where you can shut it off.
All right, I'll
Yeah.
all the way around this door a second. Ready?
Yep. Sounds better. Let me give it a little more throttle here.
Are you doing anything with those front screws?
Idle enrichment?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Right?
Yep. Okay. Showing all the signs of a vacuum leak, Al.
Hey Josh, I'm gonna call you out on this one. See what you did here? See how this arm is offset so it doesn't plug that hole? Oh, looky there. The choke rod clears the air cleaner mounting hole now. Would you look at that? Got our new temp sensor installed. Had to knock the factory bracket.
Sounds pretty dang good. Want to hit the throttle? Yeah. 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 Right into the car.
Alright, well that finishes up the exhaust on the Nova. Next time you'll see this is be on the Underpower Tour where you can join us. We got merch you can find down below, and we'll wreck it, rinse it, repeat. Let's do this. These are the factory plugs